Let's start. Thank you for joining this call. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thanks for joining this call. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thanks for joining this session. Let me introduce myself. It's me Nabil Velat. I'm basically from Calicut district of Kerala state. However, around 12 years, I was settled in Bangalore. Recently, I came to Kuwait. Currently, I settled here. By education, I am a BTech graduate, and I do have a total 12 years of experience into network administration and network automation. Previously, I was working with Capgemini as a technical manager. Before that, I was working with the UCB Pharma as a senior network engineer. Currently, I am working with one of the IT company in Kuwait as a network architect, as an ACA specialist. I do have my certification in CCNP data center and CCNP DCSCI. Okay, let us start. We all joined this session to discuss about Python or network automation. In my session, I am using Python as the scripting language for network automation. See, first of all, what is the purpose of using any scripting language in your network? Why you want to learn network automation? What is the purpose of learning network automation? Uh, See, guys, we all are network engineers. See, network engineer job anybody will be able to replace. Okay, so maybe you are in a comfort zone in your company. Maybe from past to 5 years, 10 years, you are working in the same infrastructure, and you are worrying about joining or looking out for a job. Trust me, guys, if you are skilled with network automation, and it will be an extra mileage for your profile. See, you will be get notified by everyone in your organization. How it is, it will be really nice, right? Your management, you will be notified by your management. See, guys, uh, if you don't have any confidence now, or if you are already having confidence, whatever it is, if you get skilled with Python automation or any network automation tool or any scripting language, trust me, guys, your confidence will boost like anything. You will get a very good opportunity outside or in your organization itself. It will help you to get good salary hike in your next uh, payment cycle or appraisal cycle. Trust me, guys, if you learn the network automation, your life is going to change. In your career, you'll have very good confidence. Once we have confidence on something, and their lifestyle will get changed. Trust me. See, I know personally many companies they are not implemented network automation. Why? Because most probably lack of knowledge or the network engineer who is working on there they don't have network knowledge. And see, you should be able to comment to your or you should be able to propose to your management that if we implement this network automation by using Python or any other language, we will be able to achieve so and so thing, right? That is the main motto. Okay, so you just think about it in a board meeting or or wherever you get an opportunity to explain about your project. You have means whatever task we are currently doing, you can list the task, and you can inform management or send email to management saying this task can be automated, or this task I'll be able to perform via scripting, so it will save that much time for all team. See, the mileage or the respect you will get from the management. There'll be a lot of difference your work before you implement automation and after you implement automation. See, uh, okay, fine. What we can do with network automation, that you need to know, right? Basically, for many of the companies, they are not implemented even for taking backup of network devices. They are doing it manually. When they are doing some activity or power maintenance activity or something, they are doing the backup itself manually, right? It is consuming a lot of time, and it is a deck for team why we are doing it. That is the one thing. Another thing, whenever you need some data from multiple devices, you are having thousands of switches in your network, and you will get a clear idea. If you join a new organization and if you get approved to implement the scripting, if you run the script, you will get what are all devices where it is connect all the information you will get an in Excel. So you will have complete visibility about your network, right? See, if maybe you're working as L2, L3, or manager, or project manager, project delivery manager, whatever it is. So if think about it, when you're working as a lead role or manager role, project manager role, you need to ensure that the task is done properly on all the devices. There are 1,000 devices. You need to trust team, no other option. But if you are authorized to implement scripting, and if you can run the script in your network and fetch the data, you will be able to ensure that this project has done in a perfect way. For example, if you implement .1x or some other, you need to implement some commands to for some purpose. Just take it as an example. If think about .1x, you need to ensure that all the access switches, all the access interfaces, so and so configuration should be present. So team has configured it, okay. But if they miss to configure some interfaces, how will validate it? There are thousands of switches. It will be very difficult, right? But if you use network automation in single click, you will get all the means it will take some time, 3 to 4 hours, according to the size of your network. But you will get entire data in Excel, and in single click, you will be able to identify how many interfaces the config is missing, or if the config is applied to all interfaces in a proper way. That is the power of automation. You need to think in that level. See, people are thinking like automation or scripting, it is very tough. I'll not be able to do it. It's nothing like that, guys. It is very simple and easy. Anybody can do it. It is not uh, that much difficult thing, I would say. Right. So, see, I'm going to take session in such a way that a fresher or who does not have any background of automation or programming, yes, of course, you all are network engineers, will be able to implement the scripting in your network. If you follow my all sessions, I'm guaranteeing that you will be able to do it. Trust me, guys. And I'm going to make it a simple, very, very simple. You will not feel like it is difficult to learn. in such a way I'm going to explain. Okay, so to implement this or to learn the network automation, we need to set up a lab in your personal laptop. I have already set up the lab in my laptop. So you, each and every one of you also need to implement the lab in your personal laptop. Okay. What and all things is required to implement the lab that I'll explain you. Where is Okay, guys, we need a Python software first of all. Then we need a GNS3 software, GNS3 VM, then VMware and router switch firewall iOS for GNS3. Okay, these things, these software which we need to install in our network, sorry, in our personal laptop. How you will get this software? I'll just show you. All software you will be able to download from internet. It is not a difficult thing. Okay. Okay. First of all, we'll check about Python software. Okay. You just search Python, then you will be able to download it. Just download and install it. That's it. Simple. Then next, you have GNS3 we need to install, right? For that, you need to go to just open Google, just type gns3.com. You will be redirected to this web page. You'll be able to download it from here. Okay, go to download. Before that, you have to log into this website. Just maybe you don't have account. Just register with your personal email ID and get an account. Then you will get this page. From here you will be able to download Windows or Mac, whatever it is. If you are using Windows machine, you can download for Windows, or Mac, you can download it for Mac. Once you have downloaded and installed that one, you also need GNS3 VM. You have to just click here, come here, then click on VMware ESXi. You can select and download it. Okay, cool. Now next is you need VMware. VMware also you will be able to download from internet. Okay. Download Fusion or Workstation. You click here, it will redirect to Broadcom. You have to register in Broadcom and get ID. Then you will be able to access and download it. Once you downloaded all this software, you need to install one by one. Okay, Python you can install. Then you will be able to install GNS3, then GNS3 VM, then VMware. Okay. Once you install GNS3 and GNS3 and VMware, you have to go to VMware first. Okay. Oh, there is no enough space. Okay. 1 second, guys. Okay, once you install GNS3 and VM, now you need to open VMware. Try. Okay. Once you open the VMware, okay, 1 second. I'll keep it here. Okay, cool. Then you need to come here, open, then open. You have to click open. You have already downloaded GNS3 VM. You'll get a file like this. You have to select this file. Give name import. Okay, once you've done that, come here. Okay, don't open first. Come here, right click, then settings. I already logged into GNS3 VM. That's fine. Then you have to do right click, open. Then you'll get this page. Okay, here you can see there is three network adapter. When you install, you will not be able to see the third one. Okay, you need to add a network adapter. Just click here, add, come here, then finish. Then you will get the network adapter here. It should be bridged. Once it is bridged, just click OK. That's it. Okay, you got it, right? That is required to access our device from outside. Okay, once you have done that, then you have to come to one. Okay, cool. Once you install your GNS3 VM and once you install your GNS3 or once you configure your GNS3 and VMware, then we can come here. You'll be able to see here. Okay, cloud. That means it is connected. Okay. Oh, letter failure ആണല്ലോ. Okay, it is connected, right? Okay, anyway, let us go ahead and discuss about Python. Okay, so what do you have to do? You need to access this router via SSH from your laptop. You need to do those settings in your laptop itself. Okay, for that you may need to configure SSH in your router. If you have any confusion to configure SSH, or if you let me know. And if you face any challenges while configuring any of the settings, let me know. I'll so that I can help you. If you want, I can create another video for uh, installation, complete installation and configuration, that we can do later if required. Okay. Now let us discuss about Python. So we are going to 1 second, guys. Okay, now let us discuss about Python. Okay, so I'm going to take this automation session by using Python. Okay, cool. So I'm going to take this session completely using by Python. So, see guys, it is not a big deal, or it is not very, you don't think like it is very tough to learn or something like that. It is nothing like that. You, each one of you will be easily able to understand and learn the technique and programming whatever we are using inside the Python script. It's not something rocket science. You will be able to understand, write your own script. That is my guarantee. If you follow my videos, or if you follow on my sessions, if you join my session on time. Okay, if you join all the sessions, I'll be able to help you. Even I'll be able to support you to implement it in your network. Okay, cool guys. So wait, let me open Python. Okay, I'm using this ideally. uh so we can create new file. I'll be saving with save as first program. First program. Cool. Okay, cool. So, what we are going to do, see, guys, just understand. I'm not going to teach you each and every. Okay, I'm not going to explain you according to some syllabus or something, nothing like that. I want to ensure that whatever I am explaining to you, you should be able to grasp it, so that you will be able to write the script accordingly. So what I will do, according to the script requirement, what and all techniques you need to learn, that I'll let you know, so that you can learn those techniques and you can write that script for that session. Whatever script I am writing, you can write that script your own way. You need to understand how that script is working. That is the main thing. Script you will get easily nowadays, but the main thing is you need to understand how the script is working, right? So I'm going to take this session like I'm taking it for a fresher or who don't know anything about the Python. So maybe you are having some idea about Python. Be patient. Please be patient. Okay. So I'm going to write our first program in the first time here in our session. See, I'm just going to print my name here. You can see how I'm going to print it. Just type print, then uh, opening bracket and closing bracket, then mention in double quotes. We have to mention. I'm just mentioning my name, my name. Okay, fine. Okay, it's got printed here. You saw right. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, you are able to see here, right? So I need to I need to get a window where I want to give my name to the program, and program has to print that name in the window. Okay, how I'll be able to do that? I'll just we will be using input for that. Okay, input input. I'll mention enter your name. Okay, I need to save these, whatever I am typing as I need to give my name to the program, right? I'll be going to type that. So whatever I am typing, I need to save it to a variable. Okay, variable is nothing but we'll be able to save the values to variable so that we will be able to use that values later in the program. Okay, cool. I'm not giving you like a definition or something. I don't want to do that. I want you guys to feel like it is simple. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I'll just print it, print X. Okay, here, then, okay, cool. It is asking to enter your name. I'm just entering Nabil. Yeah, it's got print here. See, guys, nice. Okay, cool. So you need to know about data type. For few data types, I'll tell you. Data type is nothing but in programming we are using type of data. Here you can see in the earlier days when we are using C, C++, some other programming languages when I learned earlier, I saw that we need to define the data type in the program. But in Python, the good thing is it's dynamically, it will give the type. For example, if I give x equal to 5 is an integer, it will be saving to x, right? So what is the data type of that x? That we can check here. Print type x. Just see. Okay, it's an integer. In the same way, you'll be able to see print. For example, if I am giving instead of x, I am giving my name. What is the class or type you can see here? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, it is string, right? In the same way, we can in the string, we'll be able to floating point value is there, but we are not using that for now. And we have list. Okay, x equal to I'll be giving in the list. We'll be able to give multiple values. Okay, using comma under a open square bracket and close square bracket. 1 2 3 4 6 comma 8 9 3. See, this is called list. Okay, let me just see. The class type is list. You are able to see here, right? Yeah. So what is the purpose of list? We can save the values in the list and we will be able to call each value with x. For example, y equal to, I need to call this value for the 4. So with the index value, index 0 means 1, 1 means 2, index 2, 4. So I need to fetch that value. So I'll do x open square bracket, close square bracket. Then I'll mention 2. I need to fetch that value 4, right? Then print y. Say 4. You got it right. Simple. It's not a big deal. In the same way, you'll be able to fetch any value. You just try to do this program in your laptop, in your Python. Okay. And just practice it. You need to understand what is list and how we'll be able to call each value in the list. Okay. If I mention 0 here, which value it will pull? It should pull or it should call the first value, right? Let's see. See, 1. It got print 1, right? In the same way. And another type is dictionary. For example, dictionary means in normal dictionary we'll be having uh, words and meaning, right? In the same way here we are having a key value pair. For example, I'll mention y equal to my dictionary name y equal to. We will keep under a opening early brace and closing early brace. Then we will mention we need to give a key. For example, I'll be giving name as a key, and name should be have a value. That value is I'll give Nabil. Okay, and then we have to put a comma. Then come here. The next key we can give place. I'll give Calicut. Okay, this is called dictionary. So we'll be having a key value pair. I need to fetch the name of Y dictionary. How I will fetch? See here, name equal to Y. Then we will put a opening square bracket and closing square bracket. Under that, we need to call the name, right? So we will mention in double quotes name. Okay, that's it. See guys, always string should be mentioned in the double quotes or single quotes. And okay, between two double quotes or two single quotes. Here, name equal to y of name. And if I print name, what output I'll get? Just see. Nabil, right? In the same way, if I am giving here instead of name, if I am changing to place, it should print Calicut. Okay, very good. Let us see. Yeah, it's got print Calicut, right? Why I explain all these things today? Because in the first program, we'll be using all these things. Okay. List, I think we will not use. Other things we will use. Okay. So today we are going to we are going to access one router by using script and running some commands and get the output of that command and print in our screen. That is the thing which we are going to do today. Okay, cool. Okay, then 1 minute. Let me open my GNS. Okay, I am having a router in GNS3. It's not opening, guys. I'll just delete it. Okay, no issue. I'll just open. Wait. Okay, cool. See here, I'll be pulling one router here, and I need a cloud as well. Okay, just a VM we have to mention. Okay, cool. Here we'll keep connection. Okay, cool. Now I'll switch on the router. Okay, okay, cool. Now I need to configure one IP address. Right. For that, I'll take command prompt, then IP config. I got the IP address in this range. Okay. So I need to use the same range there. Configure terminal. Do show IP interface brief. Only fastener 00. Okay. Interface fastener 00. Then we'll use IP address. IP address 192.168.112. 192.168.112 dot 10. We'll give 25. 255 dot 255 dot 0. Okay, cool. We'll give no shutdown. Okay, cool. Exit. Then I need to configure as such. For that, IP domain name wms.com. Then I'll configure username and password. Username Nabil, password 123. Then I'll configure crypto key RSA. Okay, I'll give 1024. That also configured. Now I'll configure line VTY 04 transport input sh login local. Okay, ping. Okay, I'm able to ping from router itself. So I need to check if I'm able to ping from the my laptop. Yeah, I'm able to ping. Now I should be able to access via SSH as well. Let's start a session. Yeah, now I'm able to access via SSH. Nabil 123. Done. Now we need to configure enable secrets. I think I missed to configure enable secret 123. Okay. I'll just save it. Okay, cool. Then enable secret 123. Okay, cool. Now, okay, we'll come here our first program. Okay, now we are going to log into one Cisco router. We are going to log into Cisco router by using the script. Okay. I don't want to make it very complicated. Today we'll be doing a simple script. Okay, very simple. So, uh, wait. Mm. So we will be going to write our first script. Okay. So I'll come here. Okay, cool. See, to log into the device, we are having libraries. Okay. So, which library we are going to use to log in the device? I am preferring NetMiko library. I'll be using NetMiko. So for that, first, once you install the your Python, you need to install NetMiko library as well. Okay. So come here, go to command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, you need to type the command pip install NetMiko. Okay, it's already there. Otherwise, it will get installed. That is the first step which you have to do. Then next step is okay. Here, then we need to import that NetBeeco library to our program first. I'm just importing it from NetBeeco from that library. I need to import connect handler. Okay, so function. I need to import this one. Okay, I imported connect handler. So we need to use this command for that. Okay, and I explain you about dictionary. We need to give our data in dictionary format to the program. Means in we as we are using this NetBeacon library, we need to give the login information like device type, success Nexus OS or iOS, whatever it is, IP, what is IP of that device, then username, what is the username and password, what is the password and see enable secret. These information we have to give in a dictionary. Okay, so I'll be giving this information in a dictionary. Cisco iOS give iOS. iOS, okay, cool. And what is the IP address? 112.25, right? And username is Nabil. Password same. Cool. Now we need to log into the device with this information. So we need to call a function. This is the function, okay? Net connect equal to connect handler. We are calling this and we are giving this information. This is the information dictionary. If we give this information and calling this function, what will happen? It will log into the device. Okay, once it's log into the device, we need to enter into enable mode, right? Privilege mode. For that, we need to use this command. Okay, netconnect.enable. Why netconnect.enable? Netconnect equal to this one. From then we can use this variable netconnect.enable. Okay, and we need to get the information from the devices. I need to send some commands to devices. I'll be doing show version, then show version I'll be sending. Okay, show version. Okay, cool. Got it, right? That's it. Simple. It is very simple, guys. Then we need to just print that version. That's it. Okay, cool. It is clear, right? It is very simple. We need to import NetMiko library, and from NetMiko library, we need to import connect handler. That connect handler we are using to log into the device, and we need to give in bracket, we need to give star star, then that dictionary where all the information is there to log into the device, then netconnect dot enable, then to enter into privilege mode, then we need to send this command show version to send the command netconnect. This is the netconnect dot send command show version. Then it will saved to this variable. Output will be saved to version, the variable name version, and from there we'll be able to print it. Simple, guys. Very simple. Nothing to worry. Okay, I'll just run that program. Let us see. See, we got the output from the device. Simple, right? It is very simple. So for today, this is enough. For tomorrow, we will learn new technique, new technology in the Python itself. Then we will go to advanced script. You may need to uh, means you may have list of IP address. Those information you need to share via you need to copy in a notepad and call to the program, and you need to get output in notepad file, or you need some information in excel format, or you need to give the username and other information to program via by using excel. All those technique we will learn in coming sessions. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for joining this call and showing interest to learn Python. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. Please let me know if you have any doubt or concern. You can contact me anytime on my mobile. On my WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 9446635011. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.